Hey guys, Jordan from nuCamp here. Today we're going to be going over the Victron SmartShunt.
The location of the Bluetooth SmartShunt Battery Monitor varies depending on your model and model year. In the 2025 Tab 320, you'll find it beneath the passenger side dinette. The Victron SmartShunt is easy to identify by its two prominent brass terminals. Multiple wires connect to the system side, while a single wire connects to the battery. Although the SmartShunt doesn't have a built-in display, you can access the detailed battery information through the VictronConnect app, which is available for iOS and Android.
With the Victron SmartShunt, you can use the VictronConnect app to see some useful information about your camper's electrical system. Things like the battery's estimated state of charge, the battery voltage, and how much amperage is going into or out of the battery at any given time.
Knowing the state of the battery and whether you're gaining energy or losing energy can help you plan and manage your electricity usage so that you don't run out of power.
Thanks for watching. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us here by email at tech@nucamprv.com.